Hi guys, so this morning we are off to Benidorm Outdoor Market. It's a Wednesday. The market's open from 9 till 2 p.m. We're starting off at Flash Hotel. Flash Hotel is there. You've got Morgan's Tavern over there, Ambassador over there, so you know where we're going to be starting from. It's only how fast? 700 meters from where we are now, and it's pretty flat, although if you're not good at walking then you might find it a bit hard. There are plenty of bars on the way if you want to stop for a cheeky couple on the way there, on the way back.
Hire scooters.
Yeah, you can hire scooters.
Or if you're disabled you can have little scoots, what are they called? You sit on ones.
Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah. Scooter, same scooter in it. So how to get here? That's the roundabout where Morgan's Tavern is. So Morgan's Tavern is there, and you want to take this road that is down the side of the Ambassador, and this takes you pretty much straight there, and you need to do the right a little bit further on. We've stayed in that hotel Ambassador, really nice hotel. Probably one of the best hotels in Benidorm, but there are quite a few good ones, but there are some dodgy ones, so beware. Read the reviews. Go on YouTube, have a check of Lucy, Benidorm enthusiast. She's got loads of hotel reviews. So as you come from where the Ambassador is, Ambassador's over there, you can see the orange, the pinkish balconies. That's the Ambassador. Follow the road to the roundabout, and you take it right here, and that's the market. It's quite easy to find, but loads of people still ask online where it is. Come along here, and that's it on the left. Nice and easy to find. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, then please give it a like, a little comment, and just subscribe if you can. We've got loads of these type of videos coming up. We're in Benidorm quite a bit, so we've got loads of Benidorm videos coming up, and some other videos around the world. We've not long come back from Mexico. Soon I'll be going to Turkey, so I'm going to be doing different videos all around the world. I know a lot of you watch this on TV, so what I've done, especially for you guys, I've made a QR code right here, and that will take you straight to the YouTube channel where you can subscribe. What that does is it opens the channel up to more people, also makes the channel bigger and better. We can do more things in the future, and it shows a little bit of appreciation for the amount of hours that I have to put into editing the videos, which you don't realise it takes a very long time. That's all I ask, is just a little subscribe. So this is Benidorm. This is Levante Beach here, Old Town over this side. You've got Sol Pelicanos, and the strip is just here on Calle Girona. The market is just here on the top of the strip, near to Hotel Server Group Pueblo Benidorm. It is located on Carretera Albir. It might come up as CTRA Albir on your maps. So now you know whereabouts it is. There are a couple of smaller markets, but this is the main one in Benidorm. One thing I would say, there are pickpockets here, so put your bag in front of you. Make sure all your belongings are stuck away. I might try a little challenge, but my wife don't want me to do it. See if I can get pickpocketed. See, she don't want me to do it. It could be a bit dodgy. So the time of year, it is just after Easter.
Coming up to the May bank holiday.
So it's busy, but not crazy busy, as in what it'd be like during summer holidays. See, it is quite busy today. It's the best place to get all your knockoffs here. Yves Saint Laurent, Prada.
Would you like me to point them out?
I ain't got a clue. Chloe, is that a name?
Yep.
I ain't got a clue. It's nice, I like that. Benidorm, I like that. Those are magnets.
It's just took my shoe off.
Yes, James, thanks for spoiling that.
Is that life size? That's a bit big, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit too big though.
Yeah. Well, €3 for an ashtray, $1.50 for your fridge magnets.
3 for €4.
3 for €4. Wow, loads. Nice watches there. Oh, that's nice.
They're all knockoffs of ours.
Are they? Take them in and swap it.
That's a knockoff of Daniel Wellington.
Oh, okay.
So Daniel Wellington has a DW with
So
a D backwards.
that's a Daniel Wellington.
Knockoff, yeah.
So Kerry knows this because she works for a watch company now.
Currently. Yeah, that half dial over there with a half blue, half red, that's a knockoff Timex.
What do you want, senor? What do you want?
I'm just looking.
It's looking. No photos.
Oh, okay, great. Just got told off for filming. It's all knockoffs. I thought it was genuine for €10. No? €200 watch for €10? Sketchios. Sketchios. It's a Spanish one, right? Is that right? Spanish one. Sketchios.
Scotchio! Scotchio! Scotchio!
€12, €3. Not sure whether or not to grab one of these for myself. It's nice, isn't it?
Probably fall apart, but it's up to you.
No sabía, ¿eh? He pensado que era carterita.
It's not leather.
No.
So this is the wallet we're going to use as bait. Can we stick out the back pocket a bit, maybe, and see if we can get pickpocketed. If not, that's the wife's birthday present. What I'm going to have to do is put the camera away because obviously it's not going to get done whilst I've got a camera in my hand. And probably Kerry will go a little bit behind and see if she can get them on her phone. We'll see. I'm going to go out on a limb now and say 95% of the stuff is knocked off fakes. So you take your chance. If you want to buy that and it breaks after a couple of days, then so be it. And you can barter people down. So if you see something for €15, go for 10 or 12. Every aisle is the same. T-shirts.
Oh wow, these headbands, we used to get these all the time.
Football shirts. Those are kids' toys. Hats. Literally anything you want. Caps.
Kuulet, että ihan pieni ero koko ajan välillä, mutta mä en syö heille 3 kastia, kun mä tiedän, että se on iso.
Hello.
Hola. How much?
€8 to
€8. Oh, okay. Any other like this? Like this? Any other like this? Just this one? Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Vogue, not Vogue. Pretty little tops there. Jewellery. Earrings. Oh, pretty.
Different.
Yeah, nice. Shawls or scarves? What are they? Shawl or scarf? What's the difference between a shawl and a scarf?
Shawl is bigger, so you can go over your shoulders.
Shawl is bigger. Learn something new every day. Loads of
None of
hats,
these are going to fit you,
Burberry's. I do have a big head. €5. Football shirts, kids, loads of hats, wallets, all knockoffs. Underwears. Do you want some underwears?
No, I have underwear.
I wouldn't take a chance with these type of things. Perfumes.
No, because the one that they show you smells lovely, but the one they put in the box
You can never
does not.
tell what you're going to be wearing. Football, come on, where's the West Ham? Where's the best in town? Where's the West Ham? Hey, look, here we go. There we go. Best. That's got the old sign. I like the old sign.
Para colgar no Pro. Esta.
Oh yeah. Gracias.
Para colgar.
Yeah. €5, nice. Oh, that's nice. That one. Fortnite. Oh my God, she's in heaven.
That's the new season as well.
Is it?
The current season, the one on the bottom, yeah.
Well, where can I put this? I've got nowhere to put it.
Start putting stuff on the ceiling. No, because it'll fall off and donk someone on the head.
Good idea. Benidorm, I like that. I like that. Nice. Beer. Cerveza, por favor. That's what we want. Cerveza. Where do they make one of you?
They made one of me.
There.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was you. Oh, look, all this. Wow. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. €125. 35. That's a print. Benidorm. That's not bad, even for a print. Oh, wow. I do like this. This is... I do like that.
I can make that.
I like that. Do like that.
I can make that.
Yeah, I heard you say 3 times now.
The camera might not.
She can
can
make
make
that.
that.
She can make that. She can make that, apparently. Not your channel.
What do you mean?
I need a cerveza.
Okay. €1.
€1. €1.
I don't know what is €1, but
€1, apparently. Yes, that's whatever you want to get, really. There's loads on offer. Yeah, I could show you every single aisle, but it's pretty much the same. Once you've seen 2 or 3 aisles, you've seen the whole lot. It's all the same. You know, nice, pretty dresses for the young girls. Cowboy hats. Do you need a cowboy hat? Knockoff Nikes that I got in Thailand. Probably still come from the same factory in China. Yeah, lasted a good couple of years now. Loads of watches again. Glasses. Mini glasses. Mini glasses, that's good, isn't it?
oh, little foldaway ones.
And if you want, there's loads of bars, a supermarket, restaurants. You can grab some food. Ooh, just try not to get killed. So we've done just over half, and you can see there's another half to go. It is pretty much the same. So once you've seen one half, you've seen a lot of it.
So the knockoffs that you can buy, all the brands, you've got Chloe, you've got Guess, you've got the Tote Bag Company. They're all very good quality knockoffs, but you can't film them, they get a bit dodgy. So, but they
Yeah.
are quite good. You can haggle them down on prices as well. Got to be careful though, some of them grab you and they're like, come here, I'll show you this, we'll do a deal. So just be careful if they get a bit handsy.
And can you hold this and just, I'll show you what I was doing with the wallet. I didn't get pickpocketed. So
Doesn't mean to say it won't happen.
yeah, it is notorious for it, and maybe I was a little bit too obvious, but who knows. But I'm going to sort of probably keep that like that all day and see if anything happens. So what have you got from the market before? What's your secret hacks about the market? It's a good day out. I mean, it's another thing to do in Benidorm.
If you like a bargain.
Yeah, you've got anything you want there. The best thing is for your fakes, for your knockoffs. That's the best thing you're going to get there. Loads of them. That's pretty much 95% is knockoffs.
Yeah, and a couple of the stores down the front still do the same thing, but here there's a lot more variation to look at. Different sizes, colours, different brands.
So we're going to probably find a bar, probably Penny Whistle or something down the front. Penny Farthing down the front, or one of the bars on the way. Uncle Ped's. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye guys.